This video is dedicated to the one and only NVIDIA and its latest purchase, latest investment in APLD, known as Applied Digital Corporation. Like, subscribe, and let's talk NVIDIA.
By now, you've likely heard about NVIDIA's recent investment in Applied Digital stock. Understandably, many investors want to know more about this company that has caught NVIDIA's attention. That's why I created this video, which covers the essential information investors should know about Applied Digital stock before making an investment decision. While this video is a good starting point, I recommend conducting further research to thoroughly evaluate Applied Digital stock. Applied Digital is a designer, builder, and operator of next-generation digital infrastructure, catering to high-performance computing applications, cloud services, and data center hosting. This area is attracting significant investments from large hyperscalers like Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, and Meta platforms, which are pouring tens of billions of dollars into developing AI-optimized data centers. These investments not only generate revenue through infrastructure rentals, but also help hyperscalers reduce their computing costs by shifting to more modern data infrastructure. In its latest quarter, Applied Digital announced that it had successfully procured new transformers and related components from North American manufacturers, allowing its Lendale data center hosting facility to operate at full capacity. This is significant news for the company, as it has limited data centers, and having one not operating at full capacity was a substantial headwind. For fiscal year 2024, Applied Digital reported revenues of $165 million, triple the $55 million in 2023. However, the company also generated losses of $150 million compared to $45 million the previous year. The adjusted net loss was negatively impacted by $39 million in expenses associated with facilities and equipment that were not yet generating revenue. As of June 28, 2024, the transformer-based repairs at the Lendale data center facility were completed, and the site was restored to full operating capacity. Despite setbacks, Applied Digital made significant progress on its key growth initiatives, particularly in expanding its cloud services business and executing a letter of intent with a US-based hyperscaler for 400 megawatt capacity. Applied Digital's vision is to become a development platform capable of building and operating multiple high-performance computing data centers, starting with its Lendale campus and continuing with 3 additional campuses, totaling $1.4 GW of capacity. To support this vision, the company has added industry veterans to its team and is working on designing its next 2 buildings, which will provide 300 megawatts of capacity. The company believes that the fourth quarter marked the bottom of its revenue and anticipates sequential improvements on the top line as it enters the first quarter of 2025. This is great news for Applied Digital stock investors, as the company is poised to benefit from the rising investments in high-performance computing data centers. Recently, Applied Digital announced that it had entered into an exclusivity agreement with a US-based hyperscaler for 400 megawatt capacity, inclusive of its 100 megawatt facility and 2 more facilities. The company is in advanced discussions with traditional financing counterparties to facilitate construction activities for this investment-grade tenant. On September 5th, Applied Digital announced that it had raised $160 million, with NVIDIA being one of the investors. This strategic investment from NVIDIA will help facilitate the building of high-performance computing data centers, which will likely feature NVIDIA's GPUs and next-generation technology. This investment is not just about generating a return on investment, but also about NVIDIA helping to create an ecosystem around its products.
Now let's talk about APLD. On the technical side, we have here the weekly time frame, we have here the daily time frame. Let's take the FTI for the last 34 trading weeks. We can take it a bit above it to the 55. We want to catch the recent high, recent low, and as we can see, we are still below a very steep downtrend line. As you can see here, this downtrend line started over June of 2023, 1 year and 3 months of a downtrend. I want to see a break above the 625 area on the weekly, at least 2 trading days, maybe 3 trading days above the 625, and then on the technical side, we can start taking long position on APLD. This is how APLD looks on the daily. 3 out of 4 time frames on the bearish side, bearish sentiment. Also here, we have the same trend line, of course, but we also have higher lows we're still waiting for a break above it, and this is on the technical side. Watch APLD in the coming few days, coming few weeks. It will be on my watch list. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video. I do hope you find it helpful, educational. If so, like, subscribe, let me know in the comments below what more information you want me to upload on this channel. Until the next video, stay safe.